Today, we are going to transplant two Asian vegetables, bottle gourd and bitter melon. Let's start with bottle gourd. Bottle gourd, also known as Lagenaria caesarea, is a popular vegetable. It has a long, smooth, light green shape with white flesh and seeds inside. It's often used in Asian and Indian cooking because of its mild, slightly sweet taste and versatility in dishes like soups, stews, curries, and stir-fries. It's low in calories, nutritious, and packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, B6, folate, calcium, and magnesium. It's also great for digestion because it has fiber. When cooking with bottle gourd, first peel off the top skin and remove the seeds if they're big and hard. You can cut it into slices, cubes, or chop it up. It absorbs flavors well and cooks quickly. But be careful, some people might have allergies, especially to raw bottle gourd, because some varieties contain harmful substances. I planted 12 bottle gourd seeds, 11 of them sprouted, and they are growing fast. They need to be transplanted into larger pots before they start outgrowing their current ones. The pots are already prepared. The roots look healthy. To grow bottle gourd, choose a sunny spot with good drainage for your garden. Bottle gourds thrive in warm weather, so find an area that gets plenty of sunlight all day long. Before you plant, mix compost or manure into the soil to make it better for growing. When the soil temperature reaches about 70 degrees Fahrenheit or 21 degrees Celsius, plant the seeds about an inch deep right in the ground. If you live in a cooler climate, you can start the seeds indoors and transplant them later. This plant has long roots and is already sticking out of the pot. Bottle gourd plants grow tall and need something to climb on, like a trellis. Install a trellis or build a support system for the vines to climb. Letting plants crawl on the ground can take up a lot of space, especially in small gardens where there isn't much room. When plants touch the ground, they're more likely to get bugs and diseases from the soil. Bottle gourd fruits can easily get damaged if they touch the ground. They might get scratched or bruised. This can shorten their shelf life or lead to faster rotting. I'm adding vermiculite on top of the soil to help retain moisture while they're growing. Water the bottle gourds regularly to keep the soil moist but not soaked. If it's very dry, give them extra water to help them grow better. Fertilize them with a balanced fertilizer every 3 to 4 weeks by sprinkling it around the plants. My bitter melon this year is a failure. I planted 12 seeds, but only 2 sprouted. I might try planting more seeds if I can find the ones I misplaced. I know I kept them somewhere, but I just can't remember where. Bitter melon, also known as bitter gourd or ampalaya in the Philippines, is a vegetable that grows on vines. It has a long, warty or bumpy shape and can be light or dark green in color. Bitter melon tastes bitter, just like its name suggests, because of something called cucurbitacins found in the fruit. Some types are less bitter than others. Even though it has a strong taste, people use bitter melon in cooking all over Asia, India, and the Caribbean. They stir-fry it, saute it, stuff it, or add it to soups and stews. Some folks even believe it might help lower blood sugar levels. Despite being bitter, bitter melon is actually good for you. It's low in calories but has lots of vitamins and minerals like vitamins A, C and K, potassium, and magnesium. Plus, it's high in fiber, which helps with digestion and makes you feel full. If you want to grow bitter melon, it's best to do it in warm, sunny places. You can start from seeds or small plants and plant them in the spring after the last frost. The vines grow fast, so make sure to give them something to climb on like a trellis. Bottle gourd and bitter melon are more than just vegetables. They're a great addition to any garden. With their ability to thrive in warm climates and their culinary and nutritional benefits, these plants offer a bounty of possibilities for gardeners and cooks alike. Whether you grow them up on a trellis or let them sprawl, their unique tastes and textures are a real bonus. So why not give them a try in your own garden and experience the joys of growing and enjoying these delightful vegetables? I hope you enjoyed this video about bottle gourd and bitter melon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and feel free to share this video with your friends. Your comments would be greatly appreciated. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated for new videos. Again, thank you and see you next time. Happy gardening!